Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gems of Knowledge. Today we are here with another video of exercise 7.2 from the same chapter, that is practical geometry. So before starting this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also press the bell button to get the notification at the earliest. Okay, so let's start with the video. Here the first question is construct the following quadrilateral, and here few quadrilaterals have been given. So the first quadrilateral is LIFT, quadrilateral LIFT, where measurements are given as LI must be equal to 4 cm, IF is equals to 3 cm, TL is 2.5 cm, LF is 4.5 cm and IT is equals to 4 cm. So as the previous only what we have done, we have to draw a rough diagram related to this. So just we will draw a rough diagram here. Okay, so this is L, I, F and T. So let's substitute. Li is nothing but 4 cm, IF is 3 cm, TL is 2.5 cm and LF, this is LF, it must be 4.5 cm, and IT, one more diagonal is given, this is IT, it must be 4 cm. Okay, so let's start with this construction part. So the first thing what we need here is IF, that must be equal to 3 cm. So just see IF, first we have to draw this IF, that is 3 cm. Okay, so this is, let us name this as IF, which is 3 cm. Okay, then next what we need to do is we need to do this LI, that is 4 cm. So how to do that? We have to take an arc of 4 cm length. We will keep this at a point I and we will cut an arc here. Okay, so next we need this part, that is 4.5 cm, which will cut at L at this arc. Okay, so we need to take 4.5 cm arc. So this is 4.5. Okay, we get an arc here. So what we have to do, let us join this. We got a point here. That point is nothing but our L. So now we have to join this as well as we have to join this. Okay, so this is nothing but our 4 cm and this we got it as 4.5 cm as our rough diagram. Next what we have to do is we have to go to this part which is 2.5 cm LT. We have to draw a point T now. So what we have to do, we have to take a measurement of 2.5 cm. Keeping at the point L, we have to cut an arc. Okay, similarly we need IT, which is nothing but our 4 cm. Again we have to take an arc of 4 cm. Keeping at a point I, we have to cut an arc. Okay, so let's join this. We have to join this points as well as this point. Okay, so this point is nothing but our T and this length is 2.5 cm and this length is nothing but 4 cm. So to complete our quadrilateral, we have to join our T and F. So this is the required quadrilateral. So moving on to the second question. Second question is given as the quadrilateral GOLD. Okay, construct a quadrilateral GOLD where OL is given as 7.5 cm, GL is 6 cm, GD is 6 cm, LD is 5 cm and OD is 10 cm. So first thing what we have to do here is the rough diagram. So just a rough diagram we have to draw, and this is G, O, L and D. As they have given, OL must be 7.5 cm, GL must be, this is our GL, it must be 6 centimeter. Then GD, that is 6 centimeter, this length is 6 centimeter. LD, this is our LD, it must be 5 centimeter. And OD, this length, it must be 10 centimeter. Okay, so starting from the base, we need OL, that must be 7.5 centimeter. Okay, this is our OL, which is 7.5 centimeter. Next we need this thing. Okay, we need a line here which is 5 centimeter. So take the measurement of 5 centimeter here and cut an arc keeping your compass at point L. Okay, similarly we need one more arc here which is 6 centimeter, which will cut at this point, which will cut this arc at some point. So we need, sorry, this is not 6 centimeter, it is 10 centimeter. Okay, so we need 10 centimeters arc. So keeping at point O, we have to cut this arc. Okay, let's join this point as well as this point. This is 10 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter, and this point is nothing but D. Next we need this line GD, that is 6 centimeter. So again taking an arc of 6 centimeter here. Okay, take the measurement of 6 centimeter from here. Okay, then we can see one more arc is here GL, which is again 6 centimeter. With the same measurement, keeping at the point L, we will cut an arc here. Okay, next again we got 2 points, that is one from here, one from here, as well as one from here. So this is 6 centimeter as well as this is 6 centimeter. To complete this quadrilateral, we have to join these points. That's all. This is the quadrilateral. So next is the third question, which is the last question of this exercise. We have to construct a rhombus BEND where only two things are given, that is BN is equals to 5.6 centimeter and DE is equals to 6.5 centimeter. So in the last video we have noticed that rhombus is in the shape of diamond. So in the rough diagram we will just draw the shape of the diamond and we will name this as B, E, N and D. Okay, so what is given here, only two things are given, that is BN, this is our BN, it is equals to 5.6 centimeter, and our DE, this length is given as 6.5 centimeter. Okay, so the sides are not been given, we have to just draw our rhombus using the two diagonals here. Okay, so starting with the first thing, what we will do is we will draw this ED as our base. So our ED is nothing but 6.5 centimeter. So we will draw a line of 6.5 centimeter. So this is ED, which is 6.5 centimeter. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to keep this compass on the point E, taking the distance of more than half. What we have to do is we have to cut an arc here as well as we have to cut an arc here. Okay, then keeping with the same distance, we should not shake this part. With the same distance we have to cut one more arc here. Okay, now let us join these 2 points with a dotted line. Okay, so we can just see here we need this line now, which is 5.6 centimeter. Okay, so before taking this 5.6 centimeter, we cannot directly take here 5.6 centimeter. So what we have to do, we will divide this 5.6 centimeter by 2 parts. Okay, so we will get 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 is carried, and 2 eights are 16. Point will be in the center itself. So we will get 2.8 centimeter. Okay, now taking the distance of 2.8 centimeter here. So let us take the distance of 2.8 centimeter here. Okay, and keeping at this point, at the center point, we have to cut an arc here as well as this side. Okay, so we will make this points to be darker. Okay, now what we have to do is, this point is nothing but our B, as well as this point is N. So now let us join these points. Joining all these 4 points will give us the required rhombus, that is BEND. So this is BEND with 6.5. This distance is 6.5, whereas this diagonal BN is nothing but 5.6 centimeter. So this is the required rhombus. So I hope you understand this video. If you have any doubts regarding this, please comment me down below, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.